really amazed at how well-behaved cats could be. I never had the idea that you could take them for rides like dogs. I've come to the conclusion cats are smarter than dogs. Probably in their own ways, but a year ago I thought when I saw a cat on the road, if it passed you when you were driving, it was bad luck. Never did I think I'd be driving with a cat. Right, Rich? Or this cat's just especially smart, like I've heard. This cat is like smarter than any dog I've ever had. Well behaved too in the car. Loves car rides. It's amazing, I say. Amazing. All I gotta try to get him to get a leash on, I'll walk him in the mall. We'll try to do that.